Hey everyone, I love food, and I tried something new this week. I cooked only Jamie Oliver's famous 5-ingredient recipes. Jamie's idea is to make cooking super easy with just a few ingredients. I wanted to see if simple food could still be yummy and filling. I was excited to find out. I made my shopping list, put on my apron, and started cooking Jamie's easy recipes. My kitchen became a fun place with fresh ingredients and yummy spices. Every day, I tried a new recipe and each one was supposed to be full of flavor and easy to make. From colorful salads to big filling dinners, Jamie's recipes had all sorts of good food. With only 5 main ingredients, not counting the usual stuff everyone has, the challenge was to make food that tasted great and looked good too. Would these recipes be as good as everyone says? Could I cook like Jamie Oliver in my own kitchen? I was really excited to start this week of cooking. Come along with me as I tell you about my week of 5-ingredient cooking, Jamie Oliver style. My week started with Jamie's quick chicken chowder. It needed chicken, leeks, potatoes, milk, and fresh parsley. It was super easy. Cook, simmer, and blend. It turned out to be a creamy, warm chowder that was perfect. My family loved it. Next, I made crispy salmon with sweet potato fries. This one was a little harder. I had to make sure the salmon wasn't overcooked and the fries were crispy. The sweet potatoes, chili flakes, and garlic tasted amazing together. But I did cook the salmon a little too long. Oops, I learned something important. Always watch the oven. In the middle of the week, I made super easy chicken tray bake. This recipe was really easy, just like Jamie likes. Chicken, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and dried oregano were all I needed for a yummy dinner. The best part? Not many dishes to wash. One recipe that wasn't so great was the speedy sausage pasta. It had Italian sausage, cherry tomatoes, and spinach, which sounded good, but it needed more herbs and spices. It tasted a little plain. I added some chili flakes and fresh basil to make it better. All week my family was excited for dinner. They told me what they thought, which was really helpful. Everyone loved the quick chicken chowder. They said it was creamy and warm. The crispy salmon with sweet potato fries was good too, but some people thought it was a little too spicy. Everyone liked the super easy chicken tray bake. Even my picky partner wanted seconds. The speedy sausage pasta wasn't everyone's favorite. Some people liked it, but others thought it needed more flavor. So I changed some of the recipes a little. I put in fewer chili flakes for the fries. For the pasta, I added tomato paste and a little sugar to make the tomatoes taste less sour. After a week of cooking Jamie Oliver's 5-ingredient recipes, I think he's made cooking at home much easier. His recipes are simple, anyone can find the ingredients, and most importantly, they taste good. They're super easy to follow, even if you're not a great cook. You don't need many ingredients, so shopping is quick. And the recipes are fast, so you can have dinner ready in no time. I had to change a few recipes a little, but I really liked cooking this way. Jamie Oliver's 5-ingredient recipes showed me how to be more creative in the kitchen and how great simple food can be. Cooking doesn't have to be hard or take a long time. With a few fresh ingredients and some of Jamie's magic, anyone can make yummy food. Try it yourself. You might be surprised.